Constructing congruent segments. So you start off with your given segment, and then you draw a line. Next, you mark a point on the line, and then you take your compass, and you put the needle point on one of the endpoints, and the other one to the other point. And then you take your compass and put it on the point on the line, and you make a tick mark to wherever the pencil side lands. Now you mark that point, and you name it to show that segment AB is congruent to segment CD. Constructing the midpoint of a segment. So, you start off with your given segment, and then you get your compass, and you put the needle point onto one of the endpoints, and the other half you take further than the halfway mark, and you make a tick mark. Then you turn it around and you put the needle on the other endpoint, and you make another tick mark until the lines intersect. Then you take a flat edge and mark it in the intersection, and then you put it through the segment and mark a point.
Constructing an angle bisector. You start with the given angle ABC, and then you put the needle on point A and measure across to point C. You then make a tick mark from point C, then put the needle on point C, and then make a tick mark that intersects the previous line. Get your straight edge and make a ray that starts from the vertex and intersects. Name this ray and draw curves that show the congruence. Angle ABD is congruent to DBC. Because the measurement of angle ABD is equal to the measure of DBC. In congruent angles, you first start with angle ABC and then you draw a horizontal ray. Using the compass, you put the needle on the vertex and then measure across to the point that's on the slanted line. And then you make a tick mark on your ray and then measure the distance across. You make another tick mark which intersects your previous one. Get a straight edge and make a ray that intersects. Draw the curve that shows the congruence between the two angles. And write angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF because the measurement of angle ABC is congruent to the measurement of angle DEF.